However, the other faction from Harar believed that now was the time for the people to rise up and prepare themselves for an all-out war against the invaders. If the Sultanate failed now, their children may be forced to convert to Christianity, and they may become the last generations of Muslims ever to inhabit the Horn of Africa. Fighting between the two groups intensified, and within a few short years, Adal saw the rise and fall of 6 sultans, each being overthrown by the next. But by 1520, the ruler of Dakar managed to invade and take control of Harar, killing the Harari ruler and uniting both cities under one rule. And while it seemed like the Dakar faction had won the battle, there was one man from Harar who would not accept defeat. His name was Ahmed ibn Ibrahim al-Ghazi, though he is often called Ahmed Gurey, meaning Ahmed the left-handed. He fled from the Adal Sultanate with a group of less than 100 men, and the new Adal Sultan pursued him with his own army and tried to attack him, but Ahmed Gurey was able to fend off his attacks and even force him into a retreat. But